So often we say happy birthday to friends and family, as we celebrate with presents and toys, and can hardly wait to rip open the cards and packages with bows. But today we say to you, dear Jesus, happy birthday. Thank you that you came. Without you, life wouldn't be the same. Everything is better with you, Jesus.
So, as we string the lights and tie the last big bow, watching snow fall outside